Hey, what's up? It's Jason from DigiNo.org, and today's video we've got PalFish Paul once again. He's going to talk you through 5 Mandarin Chinese expressions to help you bond with your PalFish students. I put all the links, everything you need to know about PalFish in the description. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy, and let's get learning some Mandarin, eh?
Okay, welcome along to vlog. Oh, wait, ni hao. Oh, sorry, I'm just making a YouTube vlog for my PalFish Paul channel. I'll call you back for this PalFish class very soon, okay? Sissy. Sorry, that was just one of my many loyal students on PalFish. I forgot to turn myself off tutoring. If I don't turn it off, the phone's just blowing up all day, so I gotta turn it off for a second, just a second. Ah, another call. Stop tutoring, stop. I need to make this YouTube vlog. Alright, so welcome along to vlog number 4 from myself, PalFish Paul. Thank you to everyone for joining the movement. You are subscribing in your thousands and liking and watching in your millions. It's amazing to see this inexorable growth from this brand new, spanking new channel. Okay, so please continue hitting the sub and the like buttons and commenting. Big up LJ Esquire and all you guys commenting, yeah? You know you get a shout out when you comment on my channels, because I got 2 channels. Tengo dos. Yeah, and the links below, of course, taking you to DigiNo, Jason McCarthy's wonderful website. DigiNo links then take you to the PalFish job. It's a simple little step-by-step process. And oh yes, the Mohawk is on fleek today. Alright, so, what's the story, guys? It's alright. Today's vlog is called the 5 Chinese Mandarin expressions you need to learn in order to thrive and build relationships with your free talk students. Need to is a bit of a strong word, but I highly advise it for many reasons. I highly advise you to learn Chinese. A, it's nowhere near as difficult a language as you would have thought growing up in Europe, where it seems like this wacky, unintelligible language. It's way easier than you would think. It's very aesthetically pleasing as well. It's actually, you get into it, you start to enjoy the tones and the sounds. Also, as I've said on previous vlogs, this language is just growing and growing all the time, and for all we know, our kids will be needing to learn Chinese at school ahead of French and German. They probably already should be. I mean, why would you learn, with the greatest respect to this beautiful language of Français, the language of Montesquieu and Descartes? I mean, in sheer numbers, Chinese is clearly the language to learn ahead of French. And yeah, it helps you build a little connection, and you show that cultural knowledge and respect to China, and the students really appreciate that. And to me, it's a natural thing. I love languages. I actually speak 5. Spanish, hablo español casi perfectamente. Je parle français aussi. Yeah, I'm tooting my own horn massively here, but this is just to say that to me it's not a chore to learn a bit of Chinese. I love it. It's a lovely little hobby for my brain porn, So, I should have said this at the start, but yeah, being a PalFish free talker is a mutually beneficial experience. It's like this West meets East cross-fertilization. And I see it almost as a free PhD or Masters in Chinese culture and history and language. Take advantage of that. Get yourself on YouTube for an hour in the morning. Loads of channels there. I put them on in the background as I'm doing other things, and it's fun. It's a fun thing to be able to do. And then you transmit that and you show that with your students, and they love it, and they see you as, that cool guy who or lady who speaks a bit of Chinese, and I think it really elevates your status on PalFish. All right, so here are the 5 expressions that I highly recommend learning. Now, these ain't going to be perfectly pronounced. If you want that, there's tons of channels out there. That's not what this is about. My students know, and I know, my tones are far from perfect. So let's lay it out. First of all, there are 4 tones in Chinese, which I'm practicing all the time. Obviously, in my native tongue of Irish and English, we don't have tones. Apparently, there are 2 tones in English. I didn't even know that. But for all intents and purposes, it's a monotonal language. Mandarin has 4, right? The first one is, I call it the dentist tone. Ah, you know, when you stick out your tongue at the dentist, ah, 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 it's flat. Second one goes up, rising, ah, ah. Third tone goes down and up, ah, ah. I'm really not doing that very well. The fourth comes down, ah, 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 up, ah, ah. Very hard to master, so I'm very plausibly going to butcher these tones. That's not the point. It's okay. They're not as demanding on tone as you would believe. Once you're making a really good effort and getting close into the ballpark area, then it's all good, you know? So, first one is, I think most people will be able to predict this. I'm sure you've all heard this. The one Chinese phrase you maybe already know. Ni hao, ni hao. It means, you good? I literally translates as, you good, bro? Ni is you, and hao is good. It's the way of saying hello. It's the most common greeting in Chinese Mandarin. Ni hao. Oh, I could also say, to answer the phone, they say wei. So, as a funny other greeting, you can say wei to start the call, and then ni hao. Okay? Again, far from perfect, the way I'm saying that. I do believe the hao goes down, the fourth tone, so ni hao. Okay? Second key expression to know and utilize as a PalFish free talker. Ni chillama, ni chillama, ni chillama. Have you eaten? Ni, you, ch is eaten, I think, and lama is yet. This is really important because in China, just like in many Asian countries, the culture of food is very important, that eating and dining. Just like in Thai, it's like, "Kin khao mai?" Have you had your rice? That's what people say when we say, "What's up? How's it going?" They say, "Have you had your rice? Have you eaten?" It's just the cultural norm to ask about people having lunch or dinner already. That's the way they do it, and it's a fun little way to start the conversation. Ni chillama? Have you had dinner? Ni chillama? Ni chillama? The answer to that, when you have had your dinner, is wo chilla, wo chilla, wo chilla. Okay? We'll call that 3 now, won't we? We have ni hao, ni chillama, and wo chilla. Number 4. Wo de zhongwen mama hu hu. Wo de zhongwen mama hu hu. I only speak a little Chinese, okay? Mama hu hu is like, I think it translates literally as horse, horse, tiger, tiger. So. Now, it's actually no longer that widely used among locals. There's a different phrase, but I like it. I think it's cute, and most people find it cute and funny. You're not trying to present yourself as, you know, a perfect Bruce Lee Chinese speaker, although Bruce Lee was from Hong Kong, probably spoke Cantonese ahead of Mandarin. But you know what I mean. It's about having a bit of charm. So I like wo de zhongwen mama hu hu. I learned it from John Cena. He's actually a very good Chinese speaker, having spent years in China. And I like it. It makes me laugh when I say wo de zhongwen mama hu hu. Wo de zhongwen mama hu hu. Okay, I'll write these phrases into Pinyin in the video description, along with the links to get you the dream job. Alright? There you go, there's 4 already. Wow. We got 4 key Chinese expressions already that you need to learn with your free talk PalFish students. And without further ado, last but not least, it's 2 together. Thank you and goodbye. 谢谢再见谢谢再见 You start the call with your ni hao, and you finish with 谢谢 Thank you 谢谢谢谢谢谢再见再见 Okay? To sum up, let's run it back. Let's play that back one more time. Ni hao, ni chillama, wo chilla, wo de zhongwen mama hu hu. Okay, again, a bit of a outdated phrase, I'm told by many people, but it makes people laugh. it's an accepted expression for us foreigners to use, and it's quite charming and funny. And 谢谢再见. So, not rocket science there. I didn't go too, the first and the fifth are just greetings and formalities, nothing too detailed there. But then the one about dinner and the one about what is young and mama hoo, that's key information there that you only got from PalFish Paul. So I hope in return you will subscribe and you will hit my link to get this dream job and start your free masters in Chinese Mandarin, because this is such a great incentive to learn this wonderful language. Otherwise, if you're not working with Chinese people, where are you going to get that, or you're not living there, where are you going to get the motivation to just learn Chinese? This gives you that added je ne sais quoi to go and learn the language, okay? And then you get to practice it a little bit. Obviously, you don't... Actually got a call coming in now, soon enough. Hello? Yeah, almost finished the vlog. Speak then, okay? Obviously, you don't go overboard. These are short little phrases because the people are calling you to speak English, practice English. You're not going to go overboard learning Chinese with them. No, no, no. This is just those expressions at the very start and at the very end. A couple of seconds, et voila. Okay, guys? 谢谢，再见. Any questions and comments, keep them coming in. Keep the channel spreading. Spread the love on the 2 channels, yeah? Because we got 2 YouTube channels going up now. Okay? See you soon, guys. 谢谢，再见.